Wake up! It's time to fuel your body with a power-packed, cancer-fighting breakfast shake. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients, this shake is a delightful fusion of taste and health. Begin with a base of almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that's low in calories and high in vitamin E. Add in a ripe banana for its potassium content, and a handful of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all bursting with antioxidants. Now let's not forget the greens, spinach, kale, or even Swiss chard. These leafy greens are rich in folate and fiber, key players in cancer prevention. A sprinkle of flax seeds and chia seeds for omega-3s, and a dash of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. Finish off with a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and you've got yourself a breakfast shake that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Remember, the fight against cancer starts on your plate, so start your day with a shake that's more than just a meal. It's a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Make the switch to a cancer-fighting breakfast today. Stay healthy, stay strong,